Gearheads, it's countdown time for the best portable tire inflator. Compact, fast, and ready when you need air. We're counting down the top picks that balance speed, accuracy, and portability so you can get back on the road in minutes. Today, I'm going to be going over the best portable tire inflator that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the ETENWOLF VORTEX S6. In the world of portable tire inflators, the VORTEX S6 stands out for its rugged build and reliable 12-volt operation. Designed for drivers who want a straightforward, no-nonsense tool that can handle car tires, bikes, scooters, and even a collapsed air mattress in a pinch. The unit speaks to the practical side of road-ready inflators with a heavy-duty housing, a reinforced hose that resists kinks, and a compact footprint that slips into a trunk pocket without crowding other essentials. Power comes from a standard 12-volt car outlet, which means you don't need a wall outlet at a campsite or a roadside stop. You simply plug in, select your target pressure, and let the built-in compressor do the work. Built-in digital gauge presents a tall, legible readout, typically ranging up to about 150 psi, with the ability to zero in on a precise target so you don't overshoot your recommended tire pressure. The gauge is backed by an auto shutoff mechanism that kicks in when the preset pressure is reached, a safety feature that saves tires and protects you from nodding off to overinflation as you watch the numbers climb. Nozzle kit covers the basics and then some. A universal screw-on nozzle for car valves, a ball needle, a needle for sports equipment, and a small adapter for air cushions and pool toys, all tucked into a small on-device pocket so nothing gets lost on the go. The overall ergonomics emphasize ease of use and visibility. A clearly marked pressure scale and a comfortable handle make one-handed operation practical, even in dim lighting thanks to an integrated LED light that helps you align the valve when you can't see well. In everyday use, you'll find the VORTEX S6 excels at quickly topping off tires during a commute, topping up bike tires after a long ride, or boosting a slow inflating air mattress at a camping site, all while staying relatively calm and cool thanks to a design that isolates the heat of the pump from the outer housing. Unit is not the smallest model in the lineup, which means it might feel a touch heavier in your glove box, but the trade-off is a more robust hose connection, more durable fittings, and a longer reach that makes it easier to inflate on the passenger side without dragging the whole car onto the street. Compared to the AstroAI L7, which I have included as number 4 on this list, the ETENWOLF VORTEX S6 offers a larger inline gauge and a more rugged hose assembly overall, trading some compactness for a more confident, heavy-use feel that suits drivers who want a single tool they can rely on in a pinch while parked or at the roadside. At number 4, we have the AstroAI L7. This compact, purpose-built inflator is designed to slip into a glove box or toolbox with ease, yet it carries a surprising amount of capability for a tool of its size. The L7 sits on a foundation of convenience and precision, with a digital display that is straightforward to read and a simple, tactile control interface that makes setting a target pressure quick and intuitive. It is powered by a standard 12-volt car outlet, which ensures consistent performance under typical driving conditions and avoids the variability you might see with a device that depends on home outlets or weaker battery designs. Build quality emphasizes a sturdy chassis, a short but flexible hose, and a selection of nozzles that cover most common uses, from car tires to motorcycles and even bike tires, each nozzle snapping on securely to minimize leaks during the last few psi in the inflate cycle. The auto shutoff is a key safety feature here as well, cutting off the moment the target pressure is achieved, which keeps you from overshooting and reduces the chance of heat buildup during rapid, repeated inflations. Another strong point is the unit's portability. It's light, compact, and quick to set up, making it ideal for city driving, weekend trips, and emergency kits where space is at a premium. At the same time, the L7 does not carry a built-in battery, so you'll need access to a vehicle power outlet for operation, which means it won't function in a true cordless scenario without a power source. Compared to the ETENWOLF VORTEX S6, which I have included as number 5 on this list, the AstroAI L7 prioritizes portability and a svelte, simple control layout, while offering slightly less bulk and distance between the power plug and nozzle for tight spaces. But it does sacrifice a touch of raw airflow capacity in exchange for a lighter, more compact footprint. At number 3, we have the AstroAI Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. This model represents a strong balance of affordability and versatility, engineered to handle a wide range of inflation tasks beyond simply car tires. The core of its appeal is the dual-power versatility, often supporting both a DC car outlet and a portable AC adapter when you're near a power source, which makes it exceptionally flexible for roadside use and home garage setups alike. Gauge is clear and easy to interpret, with a digital display that can be toggled to show psi and a backlight that activates for nighttime inflations. A compact control panel keeps pressure settings straightforward, while the auto shutoff feature ensures you can walk away once your tire hits the target pressure without the risk of overinflation. The included nozzle kit typically covers car tires, bicycles, sports equipment, and air mattresses, so you have a natural tool to tackle a variety of tasks on a single kit. The build quality leans toward practical, everyday durability. A rugged hose, solid fittings, and a compact footprint that slides into a backpack or car trunk with ease. In real-world use, this AstroAI model shines for commuters and weekend adventurers who want a well-rounded inflator that can do both the daily tire check and the odd inflation job around the house or campsite. It's not the most feature-rich option in its class, but it delivers reliable performance, predictable inflate times, and a price point that makes it a frequent choice for budget-conscious buyers. Paired to the AstroAI L7, which I have included as number 4 on this list, the Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor at number 3 offers a broader feature set for home use and a scale that accommodates more variable inflations. But it is generally a bit larger and may not stow as neatly in a car kit as the more compact L7, while still delivering dependable performance for everyday needs. At number 2, we have the Powools Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. This unit is built to deliver solid performance for drivers who want a dependable inflator that works efficiently at the side of the road and folds neatly into a trunk or cargo area. Power supply is a straightforward Carminus 12-volt arrangement, which means you plug into the cigarette lighter and start inflating without needing to source a wall outlet. The nozzle kit includes adapters for car tires, bicycles, balls, and other inflatable items, with a design that ensures quick attachment and minimal air leakage during the critical last size you approach your target pressure. This model emphasizes value without sacrificing essential features: an easy-to-read gauge, an auto shutoff at the selected pressure, and a compact, robust housing that holds up to everyday use. The airflow is tuned to achieve reasonable inflations in a practical time frame, which makes it a solid choice for topping off tires during a long trip or on a weekend ride when you want speed and reliability in one package. Practical travel: a long cord on a 12-volt outlet helps you reach all 4 corners of a vehicle, and a compact hose minimizes clutter, so you can keep a calm, organized trunk. Powell's option also tends to be more budget-friendly relative to some premium models, while still offering stable performance for daily needs. Paired to the OlarHike cordless inflator, which I have included as number 1 on this list, Powell's relies on the vehicle's power supply and can deliver faster continuous inflations when the engine is running. But it loses the cordless convenience and the on-demand ability to inflate away from power sources. At number 1, we have the OlarHike cordless tire inflator. This cordless champion upholds a different philosophy: independence from the car's power supply, realized through a compact, rechargeable battery and an intelligent control system that makes inflation a one-hand operation. The unit typically features a digital gauge with a bright display, making it easy to track tire pressure as you go and to set an exact target that AstroAI will achieve with precision. A key strength is the portability. The cordless design eliminates the need for a power outlet, so you can top off tires in a driveway, on a camping site, or at the roadside while keeping the rest of your kit free for other tasks. Battery life is a practical question, but the model typically offers enough runtime to inflate a standard car tire from near flat to usable levels on a single charge, with the ability to recharge via USB-C or a dedicated charging base, depending on the version. Additional nozzle attachments cover sports equipment, bicycles, and air cushions, and a pair of integrated LED lights helps around late evening jobs. In terms of inflation speed, the cordless approach may not match a dedicated car-powered model on bulk inflations, but for quick relief on the go, it's exceptionally capable, reliable, and convenient as a primary tool for drivers who want a tool they can carry anywhere. Paired to the Powell's Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor, which I have included as number 2 on this list, the OlarHike cordless inflator delivers the advantage of true mobility and noisier, more compact operation, but it relies on battery charge and may take slightly longer to reach high pressures when you're topping off large tires.